Welcome back, guys, to my channel. Today is June 14th, 2024. I hope you guys had a good day yesterday, and I'm going to start very soon. So, well, so let's get back to the trade of yesterday. The ones that you guys have executed or no, I don't really know, but the one that I did here was I entered at 520, I think 520, yeah, 520, yeah, I shared in the live session, and it came back to my break even because I was not confident about this trade, since I told you guys that this place here, this area here, it could be a demand zone for short term, and I also said that we will look for sales from here if the price shows any weakness in the bullish momentum and any break of structure, which happened today in the morning in London session. As you can see, the price broke the structure here, and then it went for retracement and then straight back down, and it broke the lower area from yesterday. So, well, I took this trade. I closed this around this area, 2.77 hour, but as I told you guys before. Anyway, let's get back to the chart. We'll do the quick analysis for today. As you know that I like to remove everything and start from the beginning so that we get the clear idea, because every day the price moves in a different direction. It's always good to start from the beginning when you sit to take any trade, or if you want to mark up the charts, you should mark up from the very start, like you have to delete everything from before. That's what I do. But anyway, let's start. So here you can see this is the support from the week, and it's been following pretty good. This area right here could be next support on a daily basis, I think. Let's see on the daily basis as well. Here you can see there's a support, not very strong, not strong enough, but there's a support here. And this area, as we said before, as we marked up before, that this is the primary resistance for now. So the price we are trading since from a couple of weeks, it's around this area. So we will see how it goes today. And today we have a news at 4 p.m, which is the Michigan consumer sentiment. Let's check here what's the time, because I always cross check with these things, you never know. Yeah, all right, so the news is scheduled, the data is scheduled to be released at 4 p.m, so we will have like half an hour to execute and take profit, because I don't want to hold my trades when the news are coming out, as I never do it. So this area is the trading range for since 2 weeks, and now we will refine the chart. We'll go to the low time frame and see what's going on. So here you can see that the price is in the resistance level, rejected very well, and the price has managed to stay below this area. All right, so I'm gonna put a markup here, because look, in the higher time frame you can see that the imbalance area is this one. So the price has respected it very well. And let's see here in this area, the candle didn't manage to close above, so we are good. The price is still under pressure. So coming back to the 4-hour candles, it's a bit tricky, because I would say that this area is a point of support here, right here, but you know, there's always huge wicks forming. So we will see how this candle closes. It's a 4-hour candle. Let's see what's going on in 1 hour. 1 hour seems still, I mean, it's bearish overall, but let's see what's gonna happen. Since you know that I only trade after 3:30 the Berlin time, so which is the opening of New York Stock Exchanges. So here we can see that the price has rejected from this area, which can be supply area or resistance, whatever you want to call it. And this area looks pretty good, and the break of structure formation has already happened here, and the price has rejected again from here, looking forward to go even more south, and this could be the end point here for the price to reach. If we manage to settle on this area, we can target for the take profits around this or even lower. So let's see. Let's refine the chart to 30 minutes. 30 minutes here. Very well. In 15 minutes as well, the price is trying to get some buy orders. As you can see, in 15 minutes it has invalidated this candle out here and has formed a new support area, which is not very strong, which is not strong enough, because I would like to see the price to to break above this area, above this resistance level, and then we can look up for some buys if the market allows. Otherwise it's a sell momentum. All right, so we will see how it goes. These are the two. So this is the area where the price is currently for like ranging, or this is the area where the price is stuck since this morning, past few hours. But let me do something to my things out here. Just want to leave it running because this thing hangs a lot. So we'll see how the price forms. What's up with Nasdaq is shooting up and up and up. There's no going back. So just to check how just to check the supply and demand here, I'll just make some markups. So here the price, here is the price right now, and see the price, if the price breaks above or from the imbalance zone around this area, the price has been rejected. So, not all eyes on NAS100 but US30, because this channel is just about US30. So we'll see how it goes. What time is it? It's 15 minutes to go for the New York Stock Exchange to get open. And we'll see if this formation continues to the north around this, cancelling the highs from before. If it starts making higher high and higher low, and if the price sits above this area, we can look for a buy around till this, I mean potentially this area, like this. Well enough, 4 or 5 hours, but I would not focus a lot for buys, because the price is, in general, the price is in a downward momentum, as you can see very clearly. If you scroll to 30 minutes, you can get a clear view, and you can see that the price has been making a lower low, lower high, lower low. This was for CPI, so it's okay. And then lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. So the price has been falling since since a while now. So we will see if we manage to get on the cells, because that would be more ideal thing to do. And apart from that, we'll see if we get any buy opportunities, because I'm not a swing trader. I don't take trades and hold for hours. My trades, as you have seen in my trades before, I get in the position and I wait maximum 15 to 20 minutes for my take profit and I'm out. I don't hold trades for the entire day or the week or anything like that. You could say either scalping, but I would not consider that scalping, because every trade that I open, it's with stop loss and same risk. I don't change my risk. On all my trades, I risk 0.5% of my equity. So let's see, the price is trying to break this area above. If it managed to break this area above, we can look for a buy. If the price managed to break below this area, we see if the price closes below this area, then we can look for a sell like this, right? So we will wait and see how it goes. Let's see the candles again. 4 hours is heavily bearish, has left this area open for any other retracement or any other how to say it, like taking the imbalances. So this area out here is open for a buy interest until here, and in 1 hour you can check the price. The 1 hour, in 1 hour the price, yeah, it's a very good area. If we manage to get a buy, then it's a very good area to look for, to take our profits. So 4 hours here, it's very heavily bearish, and the second one right now, it's gonna close in 40 minutes and it's still indecision, indecisive candle. In 1 hour we can see the price is trying to make a correction here, and I would say the price has already cancelled this candle of bearish candle here. But as long as the price remains under this area, we will not be sure of buying anything. All right, so let's see in 30 minutes. 30 minutes still looks very good. The price is trying to maintain its solid support around this area, but solid resistance around this area as well. So we have to be very careful today what we choose. In 15 minutes, the price, this candle here is a good sign of rejection, and then a bullish candle which shows some bullish potential here around this zone, which can also be because this area here is a area of imbalance. As you can see here, this area here can be interest of imbalance and buy orders. So look, the approach on US30, from my perspective, it's very simple, unless you want to complicate it with too many indicators. Yeah, moving averages and things like that, MACD and RSI, Ichimoku, there are tons of indicators out there, tons of them. So it's very clean and simple. It's just the concept that I use, and you can see it's just very clean. There is no messed up indicators or anything like that. It's very simple: supply and demand, taking some fair value gaps or imbalance, market trend, break of structure, and that is all. You don't need a lot of things in order to trade pairs like US30 or anything. But But yeah, you have to be very careful with the timings, because as I told you that when NYSE gets open, there is plenty of volatility that you can see. It happens every day, like here, every day you can see. So we need to wait patiently to see how it goes, how the market behaves at that time, and where it redirects, so we can have a clear approach for our trade. So now, as you can see, on 15 minutes the price is trying to go above, trying to close above this area, but it's failing, and trying to break this resistance but still not able to. So we will see if the price comes back up here or gets rejected. If the price comes back here up this area, gets some retracement, then we can plan on shooting up till this area. And if the price rejects from this area and close below here, and then it comes like this, and the price close below this area, we can see some we can see for some retracement around this, and then we can short for, I don't know, let's see where is the point of interest. Well, it's here, but I would not expect that low today, or maybe because the data is still pending and it's on sell. So let's see how it goes. Let me set up my risk to reward, because I like to do it prior the market gets open, so that I don't waste my time. Everything is set up. We just need to wait for the bank to get open, and then we see how it goes. Alright, so here we are, 20 lots. Let me put my lot sizes. Well, what's going on with bitcoins and cryptos? So 4 minutes to go for the bank to get open. For New York to get open, I just say bank because it's easy to say, and it gets open at that time as well. So we'll make sure, if we get a trade, if we get a good entry, we'll make sure that I close the trade before the news data comes out, because I don't hold my trades when the newses are there. Any kind of high impact data, I just don't hold my trades. So right now, if I have to call it a zone, I would look, as you know that I make a zone before the market gets open, and that helps me a lot to uh, find the break, or if the price has moved from its place. So I just try to mark up a zone around here, and I call it a zone. So whatever you understand, it's just very simple. The zone is either this or this. So this for now, if it breaks above, if it wants to break below, then I'll keep it like this. All right, so let's see what's the price gonna do. Again, we'll see the big time frames. 1 hour looks good. Now right now it looks indecisive. In 30 minutes it's still okay. The price is trying to hold above this area. 15 minutes still good. 5 minutes still okay. So we will see how it goes. One minute to go. Let's see. We will wait for this candle to close. If it managed to close above this area, we will look for a buy around this area here, and if the price gets rejected, if it goes below, we will look for a sell. So let's see. What's going on in 3 minutes? Looks good to me. Looks like a buy for to me now. So we'll still wait for the candle to get close above this area, and we will we can we can place our entries around this 409 or 4010. Price keeps pumping up, we might not get a chance for a pullback because it has moved almost 88 80 $90, but we'll be patient. We will wait for the price to see how it closes. The candle has closed very bullish. Now let's see if it gives us a chance to enter with the retracement. It might not, because it seems like we will see. We will have to wait. There's no rush to take the trade today, as long as we don't see something very promising, because we have very limited time. I have very limited time today because at 4 the news is coming out. So I'd like to just have get to get in the position and exit before that time, whatever it is. If it's stop, if it's a loss or profit or break even, it doesn't matter. patiently wait for this area to come, price to come at this area. This here, right here. Price is broken in a very good way, very clean. Let's see what's going on in NAS. It's the same. This could be here the area of resistance, because if you see in the line chart it makes sense. Very limited time today, 15:40 already. The price keeps going up. There's no signs of bulls for now. I mean, there's no sign of bears for now. We'll see. If we miss this trade, it's fine. Because this week, I have to check my journal. I think I'm up with 6-7 hour. So that is good for me. All the trades have been shared with you guys on YouTube Live. So well, let's see what's going on right now. 15 minutes is still very bullish, trying to break below above this area, but let's see. 30 minutes as well, 1 minute, 1 hour as well, very bullish. But we could try to, if we miss the buys, we could try to take this in account, and only after a break of structure or a structure shift after the bullish movement around here, if the price comes back here, take the imbalance and shows some break of structure or shift of structure here, we could plan on entering for a sell for until this area. So probably I would say like we managed to get a sell. Well, let's see, because the moves are still on its way. Now 5 minutes looks like it's gonna close like a hammer. We'll see how the price comes below. Five minutes, it looks very promising for a sell here, but I'm not entering a sell, not yet. I have not placed any orders here because I want to do a market execution after seeing the price, after seeing the movement of the price. If the price comes straight back down here, I would just not enter. I would see some bearish weakness here, so I mean some price action to see if it's good to enter. Like I would like to see some price action here before entering, so I don't have any limit orders. Fifteen minutes closed bullish, but with a rejection from here, around from this area right here, from a wick to wick. Let's invert the chart to see to get a better understanding. Not very clean for now. So the price is coming back to the area. I think it's okay. I think I can. Oh no, in 30 minutes it doesn't look good. 1 hour as well. I think I would enter at 404 on this area with the stops with 550, 354. Let's see the price. Let's wait for the price to come here. We'll see if there is any chance of price moving back up. Yep, has taken one of my trade around this area with a wick. I mean in 1 minute, but still you see this doesn't look very promising, but let's see. It is taking one of my trade. The sell pressure looks very effective here, but in 15 minutes, let's see. We can see that the price has been falling really hard. So it's probably gonna take my stops, but that is okay. I had to enter in this one because I saw, oh no, it's already 352. It's too close for the news. Well, then I think I should close when the price comes back up to this area. I should close it because the news is coming out in 8 minutes. So I would not risk my trade. Look, the trade is running. I would like to close it as soon as it comes up to my entry point because I don't want to hold the trade when the news is out. So I'll probably close it. So I'm gonna close this trade with $19 of loss, and that is okay. I don't want, it's a good trade, but I don't want to hold it. I don't want to hold it because the news are gonna come out. So even though it goes up and takes the profit, it doesn't matter because I don't like holding trades on the news. If you guys have entered anyone, it's up to you. But my advice is to close the position right now, since the news is gonna come out in 5 minutes, and you cannot predict the data. I mean, you cannot know what's the data is gonna come out. So it's considered gambling according to me. I mean, you're just taking a chance on the trade. So it's okay if this trade goes really good. It doesn't matter because I like to keep it very simple. I don't want to complicate. I don't want to risk anything uselessly. Because for me, it's a kind of useless risk. You can see I've closed my trade in $4, which is okay. It doesn't matter. What's going on with Nasdaq? US30. So I came out on BE. So if you guys are in the trade, it's my opinion to get out on BE, or if you are in some profit, you could just take your profit and get out of the trade, since the news is coming out in 5 minutes, 4 minutes. But this trade right here has a good potential, it could shoot up to 4-5 hour. We will see. Let the news come out and let's see the data and let's then decide. Good rejection in 5 minutes, price has rejected. Look, the wick is so good. The rejection here is so good. For those who are still in the trade, good luck. If you are trying to hold, then hold the trade at least till here. If the news comes out and if it's in your favor, at least hold till this area. Because you know what can happen in the news, even though if the news comes out in your favor and it goes bullish, but it's most likely it's going to take some liquidity, it's going to stop you out and then go up, so you will regret even more. Because if your stops are $500, it could make a $600 or $700 in loss, and then it might go in your direction. So it's always good to just ignore the trading when it's the news hour, because you get opportunities every day, every single day. So there's no rush. But this looks very promising. The structure looks very nice. Very, very nice. If it wasn't news, if there was no news today, my god, I would have held till this 4-5 hour. I mean, I would have left the trade open. Let's see what's going on in 3 minutes. So 40 seconds left for the news, and we'll see what it does. I'm out from the trades. I took I got entered. I entered here around 2000 404 405, and the trade played really good. It played very nice around 1 hour, but no worries, no worries. Let's see. What's going on? No movement or what? Data still not out. Oh yeah, pending. Let it come if the data is okay. It's right. Well, there's no movement. Not yet. Let's see what it does. I would like to enter here. I did enter. I did enter here, but let's see. Let's see, I've entered at 95 here. All right, my stops are below this area right here, which is 45, 345. Very conflictive situation. Yeah, the news came out, I mean, not in my favor, but let's see what it has to do. Whoa, it's gonna sell hard, motherfucker. Let's see. All under control because we have the stop loss. We have the stop loss ready to protect our trades. I think the first decision that I took was more valuable, of not executing any trade, but that's what it is. You need to take chances, yeah. Oh, I got stopped out. Here. You can see. Yep, got stopped out. $431. just took it on my this account because I don't want to risk my FTMOs on this trade. And that is okay. So -1 hour for today. Here you can see the trades today. I took this trade, but I closed because news was about to come out. After the news came out, the data, it didn't support my trade, and it hit the stop loss. So I'm -1 hour today. All right. Let's see what's going on in Nasdaq. The price is holding up at this area, I think. Yeah or no? I think yes, but still the price is under pressure. It needs to clear this thing out here for further up movement. The stop loss was a bit small in this one because I couldn't see the price here. Otherwise I would have put the stop loss at 90, at 40, but it's okay. It is what it is. You cannot win on each and every trade, right? If you are winning on each and every trade, then something is wrong. Here I think it's the imbalance area where the price is low on this area right here to the half FHE. Well, anyway, there's no point on now seeing what happened or what happened here, but we will see. We'll wait for some more time since it's Friday and I don't want to keep sitting on the computer, because I have done my part. I did my week pretty good. So I think that's it. So I would just call it a day, and let's see, look forward for tomorrow or for Monday. All right. So here's the thing: I have no other trades to show because I've taken the trades only on this account. Rest I haven't, because you can see, look here, my trade history. This account I started on 11th of June. I took the first trade, and it was I explained this trade in my video, and then I took the second one, then the third one, and then this. So I've taken almost like one trade every day, and it's okay. You have to be consistent. You have to show up every day. You cannot just, if you hit a stop loss, it should not just keep it away, you keep yourself away from the charts. No, if you hit a stop loss, you analyze what you did wrong. Look, in this trade, what I did wrong is I shouldn't, like, first I told you guys that I'm gonna go out from the trade, and I did, and I closed on BE. And then what happened is the news came out, and then I thought that, okay, it hasn't shown any big movement, and we are still on this area here, so it could be a good chance to enter, because I saw the potential of buying here until here. But it never has to go according to your analysis, because you cannot be right every time. It was a risk trade. All right, it was a risk trade here. So all right, so it's what it is. So -1 hour for today, and let's see what's there for the next week. We can check here the news and all. So we don't have any news on we have news on Monday at 2:30, which is okay. All the news is here around 2:30. It's all in our favor, so because we trade on at 3 p.m. So well then, guys, have a good weekend. See you next week, and keep showing up. Be consistent. If you are in profit or you are in loss, just trust your system and keep doing it. All right, have a good weekend, you guys. See you. Bye bye.